Hi, my name is Marietta Mahani, and this week's Aqua tip, we're jogging with 2 dumbbells. Now what we're going to be doing today is a rolling down action. So the dumbbell's going to be rolling down and pushing away from the body and circling back into the body. And we're going to do this whilst we're jogging at the same time. Really nice sort of exercise to do, and what I really encourage the clients to do is to try and push their shoulders down and lift their shoulders up. It's important that you teach them to stand up straight, so bouncing on your toes makes it a lot easier to do. And it's actually a really nice exercise. In fact, it's not like super hard, but it's a great way to get the body moving in a different direction. But also for those clients that have their shoulders up near their ears all the time, this forces them to push the dumbbell down and push the shoulder away from the ear, and then the shoulder lifts up again. It's not a bad thing for the shoulders to go up and down. It's just not a really positive thing if the shoulders stay up here, because this is where we get tension in the neck, as we do with any muscle group that gets held in a position for a lengthy period of time. All the standard movement patterns, jogging on your toes, knees up high, but now you're pushing forward. And one of the things I like about this particular movement pattern is I don't need to grip that hard. So push, I can actually release my fingers. So I'm actually not even really gripping it, which means that you can use this exercise in between other activities where you have to grip the dumbbell really hard. Now, gripping hard's good, but we can't be holding a grip for a really lengthy period of time, just like we can't keep the shoulders up like this for a while without getting some sort of ramifications or discomfort. Yeah, okay. Great little exercise to do, and I like it. I just like the way it feels when you do that rolling type of movement pattern. And that is this week's Aqua tip. Land demonstration for the jogging and the rolling of the arms is pretty simple, right? You're jogging up on your toes, you ask your people to bounce off their toes, lift their knees up high, and then encourage them to roll the dumbbells down. Now, as an instructor, try and get as much motion as you can in your own shoulders, and be aware that you are doing that. I often say, okay everyone, jogging, rolling the dumbbells down. Now what I want you to do is try to get the shoulders to move independently, pressing the dumbbells down, but allow the shoulders to lift up and go around. See if you can make your shoulder do a circle on each side. So you're circling the shoulders, and think about the shoulder doing a circle motion, not just the arms doing a circle motion. As I mentioned in the pool, they don't actually have to grip that hard, and I do think that you need to indicate that, because some people are just white knucklers, aren't they? They just grab everything. So indicate that you can release your fingers and that you only need just your thumb to sort of grip it tightly underneath the water. So pressing down, rolling the shoulders, allowing the fingers to relax. As I mentioned, it's a great little exercise to put in between blocks of, say, choreography where you might be gripping for some reasonably hard to keep the dumbbells moving in the water, and it will lift heart rate. And that is this week's Aqua tip.